at this. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. Tama Starphonic Maple in Mappa Burl 14x6 in our pre-owned section. And it's gorgeous. It's absolutely minted. 9 out of 10, I would say. These are absolutely fantastic drums. So the Starphonic range has been around for a while, and they are just fantastic. Everything you would expect to get from a brand such as Tama. Look at that shell. Beautiful maple. 45-degree edge, and it's finished in a gorgeous Mappa Burl. They have on it these Freedom lugs. Yeah, that's what they call Freedom. So like bridge style, so there's very minimal contact between lug and shell. Like every brand these days, we've got the isolation gaskets on the inside to stop it metal to shell, which is great, aids resonance. The really cool feature for me though is the hoop. It's called a grooved hoop. It's a triple flange, but you'll notice that there is in fact a groove, and these claw lugs are designed to slot into the groove so that when you want to change the head, you don't need to take the tension rod out. How handy is that? So you can take them all off, or you can take the tension off, pull all these out, remove the hoop, place the new head on, and then pop them back on, and you're not far away from where you were. So it speeds up the process of changing heads, kind of like Yamaha do with their hook lugs, so that you're not having to take tension rods out, put them down, all of that stuff. So if you're having to change them quickly or at a gig, you can easily do that. The throw off is fantastic. Let's have a look as well. Let's have a look. Right, I'm going to turn the drum around so you can see it. Which way are you going? You're going that way. Okay, so we'll turn it around to here. How quiet is this? Really, really quite satisfied. Adam, do you want a shot?
Yeah, I do.
Adam's going to do it as well. Ooh.
I couldn't hear anything.
So it's a lever-based system like most throw-offs, but it's just really, really quiet and really well put together. It's dual-sided as well, so that the butt plate has a tension control on it. So you can adjust the tension from both sides, like most drums these days, to make it super even, which is fantastic. If you want to change the bottom head, what's really cool is it's removable here, so that you don't actually have to take the wire off. You can change the wire out here, but you can remove the butt plate from this side and the throw off from that side as well. Oh no, you can't, not on the throw off, just on the butt plate side. So that you can take it off and change the bottom head and then put it back on, and your wire will technically still be at the same tension. Yeah. So really, really smart. Really, really smart. So you heard it at the top of the video. I'm just going to tune the top head down a little and see where that leaves us and hear what it sounds like. And I'll try and do it and talk to you at the same time, because that would be an uncomfortable silence for everyone, really, whilst I tap. Pardon?
It's not close mic.
Yeah, it's not close mic. So this is just the lapel mic picking up the drum. Is anyone watching? Anyone commenting? No comments? How are you all out there, everyone? Drop us a line. Does anybody out there have one of these drums, or have another Starphonic drum perhaps? It would be nice to know your thoughts. The head is a G1. It's actually the original head that's come with it. It's in great condition. Okay, hopefully that's kind of even.
Robin Fisher.
Hi, Robin. Oof. Tweak the wire up a bit on that. That's lovely. A little bit of gel on that just to take the edge off. And there's a lot of meat in that. It sounds like Steve Gadd or something. It's great. And the wires are really sensitive. It makes all the difference when you tune a drum low if the wires respond. It's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I'll see if I can go any lower and see what we get out of it. Has anybody in internet land started to watch Rick Beato's interview with Steve Gadget? It's very good. You should watch it. Right, we're really taking it down. This head is hardly on. Maybe I bottomed out just a little. Let's take it back up just a wee bit. Kind of works there. Could you, or do you know what I'll do? I'm going to quickly get, is there a, yes there is. I'm going to put one of these on. Pretty low. It doesn't sound tremendous because I haven't tuned it tremendously well. But what I'm getting at is it has range. One of the great things with a drum like this and of this calibre is you can put it through a variety of settings, a variety of different tuning options, depending on what you're doing, which is really, really quite valuable because it means that you have more than one drum at your disposal, if you know what I mean. You know, you can make it sound like however you want. You know? So we'll go entirely the other way now. And now, it's like a shotgun. Oof, my goodness. Back the wires off because they're really. There we go. Wow, that's amazing. Really is fantastic. So that's a Tama Starphonic 14x6 maple shell with a Mappa Burl finish. On the website, pre-owned at $399. Fantastic drum for the money. Just like that. So yeah, go check it out. Someone give it a home. See you next time.